In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Google Maps location into your Canva project step by step. This can be a really useful tool for creating engaging and interactive designs, whether you're working on a presentation, a flyer, or even a social media post. Let's jump right in and get started. First things first, open up your Canva design where you'd like to add the Google Maps location. Once you have your design open, look towards the left-hand side of your screen where you'll find the option labeled Elements. This is your gateway to a variety of media elements that Canva provides. Click on the Elements tab and then look for the Embed option. Selecting this will allow us to bring in external content effortlessly. Next, from the options within Embed, locate and click Google Maps. This feature is designed to directly integrate Google Maps into your design, making it simple and seamless. Canva's interface here is quite user-friendly, making these options easy to find even if you're new to the software. If you don't see Google Maps immediately, you can always use the search bar to locate it quickly by typing Google Maps into the search field. Now that you've clicked Google Maps, you'll notice a pencil icon appears, which is an edit option. Click this pencil icon. This will open up a field where you can enter or modify your Google Maps link. At this point, make sure you have the correct URL from Google Maps, which is crucial for ensuring that the correct map location appears in your Canva design. To get this URL, head over to Google Maps in your web browser, find your desired location, and click on the Share button. Copy the link provided in the pop-up window. Now head back to Canva and paste this link into the field provided. Double check that it's accurate to avoid any mishaps where the wrong location might be displayed. Once your URL is pasted in, hit the Done button. This will save the link and automatically update your Canva design with the Google Maps location you selected. You'll see the map appear instantly in your project, where you can resize and position it just like any other Canva element. Be sure to adjust the map within your design to fit your creative vision. Consider the level of detail you wish to display, as well as how the map complements other elements in your design for a cohesive look. And there you have it. You've successfully embedded a Google Maps location into your Canva project. This feature can greatly enhance the functionality and informational value of your designs. Whether you're highlighting a business location, planning an event, or simply providing directions, this step-by-step guide has equipped you with the knowledge to do so confidently. Thanks for following along and happy designing.